Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Thursday, April 28th. Man, it's been a desert in my area for the last 2 weeks. So after doing that VR to Methem 88 for his tactical giveaway, it kind of inspired me to step up on my 22 collection, picking up some items that I didn't have. So I placed an order from Academy on the 21st. Got these RWS target rifle, some Federal Premium target, some Remington Ely target, and 3 flavors of Aguila, the pistol match, the interceptor, and then this little 20 grain bullet. I don't know if that's Calibri. Never seen that before, but like I said, I ordered this from Academy and it shipped from 3 different stores. There's the prices on them. That one don't show the price. I don't even remember what it was. And then from Sportsman Guide, picked up some S&K Match, some Standard Plus, some Cellular and Billet, I guess that's how it's pronounced, some Fiocchi, and then 3 different flavors of Gecko, some Match, Semi-Auto, and Rifle, and then an Ely Club. And here's a tag for those. So I was glad to get these to add to my collection. I'm going to try to get me a shelf that I can display all my different flavors on so I can see them. I got them in a gun case and packed away in boxes now, so I'm going to try to get it out where I can, take a look at it when I want to. And I want to give a big shout out to Motorman0057. He hooked me up. That's right. A 375 round block of Chewdums. Really appreciate it, Motorman. Thanks a lot. Been wanting some of these blocks and didn't think I'd ever get any, but one down, one to go. I'd also like to give a big shout out to Machine Gun Kelly for making the Mafia, and also shout out to Paradox 2311 and Orange Pit Bull for making Prospect. Congratulations on making it, guys. Well, guess that's about all I got right now. I'm hoping something makes a turn at Walmart. If not, hopefully some of those Duffy specials might roll my way. I'd like to get some more of those. But appreciate you guys watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster.